How to fix unable to complete Touch ID setup on iPhone.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're in your settings, head over to General. Scroll all the way down and move into Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you have to click on Reset. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter the passcode of a device and then enter the screen time passcode. Once it's done, you finally have to click on Reset Network Settings. Once you have reset the network settings, now the next thing you want to do is once again head over to General. Move into VPN and Device Management. In here you have to make sure that you aren't connected to any of the VPN. Once it's done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings once again. Move into Wi-Fi. Well, if you are connected to any of the Wi-Fi, you have to click on it and then click on Forget Password. And then you have to re-enter the password. Once you are done, it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix
Unable to complete Touch ID setup on iPhone.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.